Hello there and welcome back to this video series on programming for problem solving using C language. After watching this video, you'll be able to specify what are strings in C language. Strings are basically arrays of characters. Let us look into that a bit more clearly. We saw that we can define and use arrays of int, that is integers, and floating point variables. Similarly, we can define and use array of characters. Such arrays of characters are called strings in C language. Strings are used to store and manipulate names, sentences, and other textual data. We can define for example, a string with the name my name as shown over here. We saw that string is an array of characters. This R is a character, A is a character, M is a character, and \0, which is a null character. It appears to be two characters, but it actually one character. Okay, so the length of this string is 4. We saw that when the length is omitted, it will compute from the number of elements. Okay, you need to carefully note that the last character in a string is \0, which is null character. Okay, C uses strings very often, extensively. All text messages, all kinds of prompts, they are given using strings. Hence, there is a simpler way of initializing the strings. Initializing, reading them, printing them, and all is made very easy with this notation, double quote. Instead of typing R within single quote, A within single quote, M within single quote, and then the null character \0, it is tedious. This is the simpler way. Okay, the length of the string we need to very carefully note is 4, because there is always that last character, null character. We didn't type it, it is not directly visible here, but C compiler adds that internally. So the length of this string is 4, and all the elements of the string are stored sequentially, one after the other, in adjacent locations. With that said, let us see a very simple program. Okay, we have two strings here. One string, my name, is defined with a capacity of 15, and another string with name greeting. The length of the string is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 because we have that \0. We printed a prompt, enter your name, and then reading one string. For string, the format specifier is %s, and my name. We know that name of the array contains an address. Okay, scanf expects an address, and we gave it what it wanted. So whatever you enter on the keyboard goes into my name, and you are printing two strings now, greeting and my name. This printf keeps on printing till it sees a \0. Okay, we'll enter some name, Rama Murthy. Carefully notice there is a space. Okay, it actually printed welcome Rama only. So the scanf reads till it sees a white space, till it sees a space, and then it stops. We will see a workaround for this in the next video, but for now I think we will close it.